I'm Robbie.
And I'm Shae.
And this is Shae and Robby's Adventures, and we're at the Indiana Sand Dunes.
The national park, not the state park.
Make sure you check out the visitor center when you get here, because you got to get your national park pass, or if you're going to the state park, you can get a state park pass too.
Or if you're just here for the day, then you actually have to buy a week-long pass. It's 25 bucks currently in 2026. So you got to get a pass to get in. We got ours. And, well, forget it. I'm not going to take it off the window. But anyways, just a tip. Get here early. They say all the beaches fill up really quick in the morning and you may not find parking. So we are actually going to go somewhere that's a little secret. Maybe we can hike 1.5 miles over to a beach that'll be less populated. So cross your fingers for us that it is. Score, we found parking. So if you come here and you don't mind walking to the beach, it's called Cowles Bog Trail. It's right by the train tracks. We're right here. We're gonna just walk down here to the beach and check it out. So let's go.
How far did we go, Shae?
2.1 miles.
2.1 miles we hiked to get to that beach.
Now, in all honesty, does it feel like we did a lot more? Yes, because if you show them the ground that we're walking on, it is this sand where every step you sink in it, and just the effort you have to put forth to walk the 2 miles. Well, actually the first mile wasn't.
Yeah, it wasn't
bad.
too bad.
The second mile was. I'm naive. I was not expecting the amount of gnats and small bugs that were in the forested part of this. So for a mile, walking for a mile.
Swat.
So I'm getting my arm workout today for sure. Uh-oh, here they come. All right, they're starting to come at us. Definitely bring more water than you think you need. It's 87 degrees out today, so it's a little warm. What tips you got for them?
What tips?
I wish we had had a backpack.
Yeah.
With some towels.
We didn't plan that part, but even we want to get in the water. There are some other beaches that are probably full right now, but it's also Sunday afternoon. Later in the day, people are going to be heading home, blah, blah, blah. Hopefully that the beaches might clear up a little bit, and then, yeah, we'll get in the drink then.
So if you ever come and do this particular hike, just know the kid at the front desk was a little off with his 1.5 miles. And when I looked at the map again, yeah, it clearly states that it's over 2 miles to get here. Yeah. Not a big deal for us. 3 miles is 4 miles. But yeah, that's my tips.
Yeah, if you're not in shape, this is not going to be easy, especially in this heat.
Hills.
The hills, the humidity, the heat. It'll zap you.
In here with the sand, climbing up some very steep sandy hills.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get
a lot out of us.
I'm gonna give them video of it right now.
Oh, speaking of, this is a good chance to promote our other video. If you didn't see us at the sand dunes in Colorado, definitely check out that video next. All right, so here's my tip of the day. Because we're 1.5 miles back, still have a half mile to go. The bugs were wicked back there. I took off my shirt. I know, 50-year-old woman walking around in a sports bra. But over the ears, look at, no more buzzing in my ears. So 1.5 miles like this. And I don't know, the bugs bite me enough to do that? I didn't run into anything. Leave a little blood for the trail gods. There we go. So, finished our hike. Look at me, I'm like a tomato. It's hot, so we're gonna go to a beach. Good luck. Can't find a spot. So, we've checked a couple. What are we gonna do now?
I don't know. Am I even in the frame? Yeah. Oh,
yes.
Yeah, there I am.
You think I don't know how to run a camera? One of us has radio and television experience. One of us doesn't.
So they did warn us about getting to these parking lots early, no parking spots. I don't know, I'll find somewhere to pull over here and then we'll look at the map and then we'll make a decision what we want to do. All the beaches are full. Gosh dang people, why can't they just stay at home?
Like, it's like 90 degrees out. You want to be at the beach? What?
So we're gonna take a midday break and we're gonna go to Walmart. We need some groceries, so yeah, it's part of living on the road. You go shopping whenever you want, right?
Absolutely.
I mean, I guess we go shopping whenever we want it when we were at home, but
Truth.
not in the middle of going to the Indiana sand dunes.
I know.
All right, we'll see how this Walmart fares. Let's see if it's just as interesting as any other Walmart in the USA.
You're a dork. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What are we doing? What are we doing?
Our strategy worked. Went to the store, went back home, cleaned our legs off.
Oh my goodness.
I think Shae got a picture. I might throw that in there.
Yeah, that was, wow.
That was bad.
That was a line.
Then we just chilled. We made dinner.
Robbie forgot that he's not cooking for a family of 4.
That's true.
And made enough pasta for 8. So we have enough pasta for maybe 2 more meals each, if not more.
Little leftovers.
There's a lot of leftovers.
But we went to the Mount Baldy sand dunes.
Bugs are back.
Parking lot. Yeah, a little bit of bugs here. And tons of open spots. I mean, not tons, but
enough.
There's
Several.
enough. So now we're on a little 0.36 mile hike. I'm gonna go to the beach, maybe go in the drink.
I'm gonna see if, I don't think it's cleared up enough to see Chicago across the lake. We should have been able to see it, but if you look at our footage, it was endless. I mean, it might as well have been the ocean. We couldn't see anything across. So
Yeah.
let's see what we see this time.
Maybe we'll see the city lights once it gets dark.
Yeah.
We got our iPhones for flashlights.
Oh yeah, on this 0.3 back, if we stay too long, it's open till 11 p.m. We're gonna need flashlights to get back. But I don't think it's through the phone, you know?
Are we just going to drink?
Woo! Who needs a shower? That's Chris?
Woo! Just come in. Just do it fast.
Nope. Not my style.
We figure we were wrap it up in the drink.
We are literally sitting in Lake Michigan right now. It is almost 8 o'clock at night, I think. Sun is almost going down, but we can't really see the sun anymore because of, what is it?
Fires, pollution, whatnot.
Clouds.
I don't know.
Whatever it is that's going on, but I cannot recommend coming here enough. It is absolutely gorgeous. I was not expecting this crystal clear water. We were just talking to some park rangers who told us it's because of the zebra mussels.
Yep, they've been cleaning the lake up, and because of that, we don't have a bunch of algae, but they're not, oh, sorry, I just saw a fish jump right there.
That's the first fish we've
Like
seen.
20 feet from us, but there's a shipwreck actually straight out from us. My camera would not pick it up. I saw the buoys out there, and they said, yeah, it's a shipwreck, and that's what the buoys are for. And now that the light is getting down there, it's deteriorating and the shipwreck is no longer preserved. So
we really didn't say that because of the zebra mussels eating all the algae and cleaning it up.
Well,
that's why.
That's why.
The
That's what I
sunlight
meant.
is now reaching this, which is really tragic. As a history nerd, I don't want these shipwrecks to deteriorate any more than they already have. But you know, nature, she does what she wants.
And now all these little fish are coming up to grab bugs off the surface of the water.
But I mean, I haven't really, at least, oh wait, there's one right on you right now, but
yeah,
this is minimal bugginess.
yeah, this it's not bad at all.
So anyways, bottom line is Michigan City, Indiana sand dunes, the national park. We have not been to the state park because we're too cheap to pay for it. Definitely thumbs up, definitely come visit.
It is the next day and I gotta work. Shae is somewhere and I think she was trying to get a little bit of a walk in before this storm rolls through. I was just looking at the radar and it's crossing Lake Michigan right now. So yeah, it's headed my way somewhere back over there. So I hope Shae makes it back before it starts raining because the cells look pretty intense. So not sure if we're gonna really get anything in today in the afternoon. We'll just see what this rain does and we'll take it from there.
I'm not letting the crumbs go to waste. This is Buc-ee's, man. We ain't gonna see another one till Colorado. Good morning from Michigan City, Indiana, and I am a big girl. Guess what I just did all by myself? I just drove 20 minutes away from our RV park to go to a museum all by myself in our Jeep that's a stick shift. Now, did I park a block away so that I could just pull right out and not have to muck with parallel parking and everything? Heck yeah, I did. But right now, behind me is Barker Mansion. So I am going to go find out, what is this mansion's story? Who built it? Why is it here? Why was it worth preserving? Let's go figure out what this is.
Shae made it back and she went to the Barker Mansion today. And what did you learn?
I checked out some really cool history, not only about the history of Michigan City itself, but the Barker family and the railroad industry. It was a really cool, well-preserved, historic home, 38 rooms. Who needs 38 rooms in their house?
Well, you can have a big party and have a lot of guests.
So, mentioning Michigan City, Robbie, have you ever been to the state of Michigan?
I have not. And guess what? We're so close. So we're going to go up to New Buffalo.
New Buffalo.
Not the old Buffalo.
Not the old Buffalo. The New Buffalo. Why don't we go up there, check out the lake, see if those waves are really waving, and get some dinner.
Oh, what a difference a few days makes.
Holy
Yesterday
cow.
we had all those storms. They've been having a bunch of warnings. And sure enough, look at those dang waves. That was crazy.
So now we have been to Lake Michigan in Indiana and in Michigan. Pretty cool little town if you get a chance to check out New Buffalo. Would I want to live here? Nah, a little too touristy for me.
Yeah.
But definitely worth checking out.